Hello again, I'm Michael with Joto Imaging Supplies, coming to you again with another dye sublimation tutorial. Today we're going to sublimate a metal mug cozy. So this is great for keeping your beer cold in and decorating up nice. As you can see, it's all white along the outside, aluminum on the inside, so it's going to take a very short time to sublimate this. I've already gone ahead and printed up. This is a logo that is near and dear to our hearts here at Joto. We love to please don't feed the deadline. So once you've printed it out using the proper profile, in this case for aluminum, all you need to do is cut it out, make sure that your sizing will allow you to have a good sense of positioning because you are going to be applying it face down. So once you've done that, it's really a matter of eyeballing it into place, getting it so that it's going to be straight. On this case, there's no one side or another, so that makes it actually quite easy. Little bit of tape, taping it down. One piece of tape would probably be enough, but I'm going to use two just to be sure. You're in position. You can double check that. I actually am glad I did double check that because I want to adjust it slightly. Actually, it's going to be fine. And then it goes in the press. Just slide it in sideways, making sure that the image is on the inside and going to receive pressure. Close the press, making sure that we have the right pressure. Pressure wasn't properly set. 375 for 90 seconds. And let's see where we're at. Woo, it's hot. You probably should be wearing gloves for this. I tend not to because I'm just that guy. And then you peel it off and hey, look at that. Please do not feed the deadlines. And please do not burn your hands while you do this. So this is a really easy product to make, as you can see. What's great about this particular press in doing it is the variety of shapes that you can do it at. But if you're going to do a larger run, probably a better tool for the job is something like this 5-mug press, where this will very easily fit inside and allow you to run them 5 at a time, no waiting. And in fact, at 90 seconds an impression, something like this will keep you hopping and moving and get through whatever kind of quantity you're looking to get done. Don't feed the deadlines.